Hey guys, this is Max Van over at STG, and today we are going over the all-new RS Taichi Warm Ride zip-up jacket and the all-new RS Taichi Warm Ride pants. So let's give it a go. So first of all, before I get too far into things, I would like to announce the pricing. The pricing on these pants, $89.95, and the price on this top is $119.95. And for some of you wondering, the sizing on this, I am 6 foot tall, around 160 pounds, and the jacket and the pants are both, a Japanese large. And with this outfit, to be honest, they say you can use it as a base layer. You can honestly wear this anywhere. You can wear it while you're riding, going to the gym, just going out anywhere. Because truth be told, it looks good. All black kind of makes you feel like a boss. And so far, I've gotten 2 compliments from 2 good-looking females on this whole outfit. So I'll say it'll work good for you fellas. So first of all, I am going to admit this is the most comfortable outfit I've ever worn. Stretches to the body, super comfortable, super warm, super soft. So their new stretch fabric material they have, thermal construction also. It's probably the softest thing you'll ever feel in your life. It's like when you go to Target and you find a real nice blanket. This is exactly what it feels like, but 10 times softer and 10 times thinner. So, and that's all lined throughout the jacket also. You have a nice pocket on the inside here for maybe your phone when you're riding. Same thing on the other side. And on the back, you go to the back. Some super thick stitching. It's really nice. It's not going to fall apart when you throw it in the washer or in the dryer by all means, so it looks super good. And in the front, you're going to have another pocket, maybe put your phone in there, AirPods, maybe on the other side your car keys, just something simple, with a really nice zipper for style and everything. And, I'll cut to the pants here in a quick moment. So with this pair of pants, just like the jacket, it's the most comfortable set of pants I've ever worn in my life. It's never going to want to make you buy just your average set of pants ever again. Super comfortable, stretches to the body, forms really nice. On the inside, you have that thermal fabric construction, which is super soft all throughout the legs, really nice. And in the front, you just have your string adjustment around the waist. Like for me, I have a skinnier waist, so sometimes I struggle with my pants being the perfect length, but being too big on the top. But with this, you will not have that issue. You have a pocket on the right, pocket on the left. And for me, I have a bigger phone, and usually, if the pockets aren't deep enough on a set of pants, my phone would tend to fall out. But with these, I do not have that issue whatsoever. You have a back pocket here also. And you go to the bottom, you have some nice cuffs so it's not dangling and it fits real tight. And then you have some RS Taichi logo right here. So with this whole outfit, I will say it is definitely worth it for the price. You're paying for what you get for it. It looks super good. Again, the most comfortable outfit I've ever worn, and I recommend this RS Taichi Warm Ride suit to all of you guys out there.